Hi everyone, you are tuned to Digital Abhi. This is another video in the series of WordPress tutorials. And in this video, we will see how you can create a menu for your WordPress website. So, to create a menu, first log into your WordPress dashboard. After logging into your WordPress dashboard, go to the left sidebar, then Appearance, and then click on Menus. From this menus option, you can create different menus for your WordPress website. So let me show you step by step how you can create a menu. First, give a menu name, let's say primary menu, then click on create menu. Now from the left side, select all the options. Now from the left side, select everything you want in your menu. It can be pages, it can be posts, it can be categories, or you can also create custom links to put in your menu. I will select 3-4 items to put in the menu. Once you have selected everything you want in the menu, click on the button Add to Menu. Now everything which you have selected will be shown in front of you. Now let's say you don't want this menu to be in this order. You want About Us on the 4th number and Contact Us on the 3rd number. So you can just drag and drop these options to reorder them. And once you have done it, click on Save Menu. Now to add this menu on a website, again go to Appearance, then click on Customize. In the Customize screen, click on Menus, select the menu which you want to add on your website, which in our case is primary menu. Now here you can see the different locations where you can set the menu. So I will just put the menu in the top bar. You can see that as soon as I selected the option of top bar, the primary menu is displayed in the top bar. Now to save these changes, click on Publish and close the Customize screen. Let's see how the menu looks. Now as you can see, we have successfully set the menu for our WordPress website. Another thing which you can do in the menu is creating sub-menus. So let's see how you can do it. Let's say I want to add the demo post 1, 2, 3 and 4 as a sub-menu for WP blog. So what I will do is I will first add these items to the menu. Then I will drag them under the option of WP blog. Then to add demo post 1, 2, 3, 4 as a sub item of WP blog, what you have to do is you have to just drag this a little bit to the right side. Now as you can see, in the front of demo post 1, 2, 3, 4 sub item is shown, which means that all these options are a sub menu for WP blog. Now to save this, click on the button Save Menu, and we will see how these changes reflect back on our website. Hover your cursor to WP blog and you will see that the items demo post 1, 2, 3 and 4 are set as sub items for WP blog. So this is how you can create menus and sub menus in WordPress. That's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorials as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed and subscribe to Digital Abhi.